It's like fancy ramen.
Oh, it's so comfy.
Look how cute these are. As usual this time of year, there are lots of packages piling up at my front door. It's Christmas time and there's like 5 Sundays until Christmas. So yeah, things are kind of piling in. I did place an order with Dream Pairs and I wanted to show you the cute boots that I got for my little girls. We got a pair of snow boots. We already have 1 pair, so I got an extra pair for my other little girl. And then I got some sturdy, everyday, good quality sneakers for school. We need to toss the ones we currently have because they're just like ragged. Do you want to try on some boots? Okay, let's try on. Woo! Those are cute. Look it. Are they cute? Yeah. I think they'd be really cute with leggings. Ooh, those are really cute. You're not wearing socks on, so they'll fit a little bit better with socks on. You want to try yours on?
Ooh, so we have 2 new shoes. They are? Ooh, they are.
Are they comfy?
Yeah. I think they will.
I'm really glad that I found Dream Pairs. Their shoes are good quality, have reasonable prices, and they give my kids comfortable, safe footwear to wear, whether it be in the snow or holiday parties or everyday wear at school. All 4 of my girls are really close in age and I still love to match them just like my mom did. I love the fact that they have smaller sizes all the way up until like preteen sizes. It makes a huge difference. I feel like most stores cut off at 13 and then go into a completely different size for the next age group. It's really a game changer for us mamas with a lot of kids that like to match.
These ones are really sturdy and they have good tread on them. So these should last you a long time. And we got these just in case we go on an adventure. Winter, snow,
Yeah, snow.
Nice and cozy. These are such good quality.
You can get 25% off your entire order at Dream Pairs. I'll go ahead and link all the shoes that I got for my little ones in the description in case you want to check out the specific style. Thank you, Dream Pairs, for some adorable shoes for my kids and for passing on an amazing deal with my code Christy25 for 25% off the entire order for all of you guys.
All right, we're getting our setup station going. I always need like a full setup with all the things that I need. Can you get some more? You know, I don't think we're gonna use rubber bands. I'm not gonna do the rubber band method today. I think I'm gonna try to do knotless if my hands can handle it today. But hydration is key. So I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. Is the water finished boiling?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are in full multitask mode. I'm just gonna spray a little of this on the first section and then I'm going to get ramen ready for the kids.
She made some last night. She said it was.
Oh my gosh,
good.
it was so good. The method that I used. It's just like it's like fancy ramen.
Did you make like?
Okay, let's get that started
Did
first.
you make like the creamy one?
Yes, it's creamy.
Yeah, I love the creamy one, and I love.
Method is similar to cooking regular ramen. I'm very impatient, so I boil my water ahead of time. I think that should be enough water. And then I'm going to put the ramen in. I'm gonna do a big batch of 5, because I have 5 kids that are gonna be eating this, and I know they're gonna love it. 3, 4, bougie ramen, fancy ramen, creamy ramen, whatever you wanna call it. Actually, I think I'm gonna do a little of the noodles at the bottom of the bag. Okay, the ramen is pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whisk it up a little bit. Let it sit. The eggs are on one side. I kind of like move it to the side so that that area gets a little bit more heat versus the noodles. I think it's better to do it when the noodles are not fully done, so I think I waited a little bit too long. While this cooks, I'm gonna add the seasoning. And normally on a regular day, I put half the amount of seasoning, but I really feel like this is just like a special ramen day, so whatever, we're gonna go full force. I'm gonna stir that up. Hi, baby. You're gonna like it, I promise.
Okay, cheese. I never tried cheese with ramen.
It's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let it melt. Baby shark, baby shark. Wow.
He's looking at my hair.
He's like, girl, you need to get your hair done. All right, here we go. And we are cheesy. So good. Okay. Oh my goodness. I swear this is the best ramen ever. So good.
Ramen one, small, biggest.
Tolly Wally. This is Mommy's special ramen. All right, first ramen.
Grab a fork for me when you're done.
Let me get some of this juice because I feel like juice is,
The best.
oh my goodness.
Here's some.
Okay, here you go. Welcome. Well, we can't keep the chair out because he will climb and hurt himself.
So let's put it back when we're done.
Snilly Billy.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. What do you think?
100.
100?
I'm gonna use a bajillion. Yeah, I bajillion.
It's good, right?
1 out of 10.
Thank you. Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
It is like so good.
Here, I'm gonna get.
It looks so good.
Giseo, you want to try, Papas? I don't think he needs it because it's going to be hard for him to eat. He needs a spoon. Did we get him a spoon?
I was just gonna get a spoon for myself.
Oh, look, he's so excited. You're so excited for your ramen. It's still a little warm. Make sure it's... I'm going to have some for myself.
I'm gonna try it without the things. That's delicious.
Well, people are quiet, so I guess that's a good sign, right?
Yep. Creamy, delicious. Eggs are really good.
It's the best. So good. I give this 2 million out of 2 million.
So last night, this is the beef ramen. Last night I made it with the chili one, so it was spicy, and it was perfect with the creaminess of the egg and the cheese. I'm gonna get some more of that chili one because that one was like, you guys need to try that next.
Got chili ramen?
Is it spicy?
Yes. It's the perfect amount of spice.
You can taste it.
I wanted to quickly go through the things that I bought at Ross in Burlington today. I thought I was done Christmas shopping, but I ended up getting just a couple more things. And I also did a bunch of videos that I'm going to be compiling on Instagram for some gift ideas because there's some toys for kids, preteens, and teens that are like way discounted than the stores like Target, Walmart, Amazon, all that. So if you haven't started shopping yet, I highly suggest you go to Ross and Burlington, Marshalls, those stores. Hey, what are you doing? First, and get things and then supplement things that, you know, are missing at other stores, because if I would have started there, I would have saved a ton of money. So I'm passing on that advice to you in my Instagram reels this week. We'll share those candles later. I did go a little crazy at the candle day sale for my birthday. It's the gift that I give myself every single year for my birthday, and this year it landed on my birthday. So I got 24 candles from Bath & Body Works. Yeah, for free though, for free. Yeah, maybe I should make a video about that. I got a couple outfits for baby Giseo. This was $9.99. It's a green dinosaur outfit with a dinosaur jacket, and it has like little things on top. It was only 10 bucks for the set. And then this was $12.99, a little champion set matching with the sweatpants. These are 24 months, a little big for him, but I thought when it gets after Christmas, January, February, when it's really, really cold, then, you know, he'll use those better then. A couple things that I'm either gonna save for the twins' birthday in February or give it to them this time, and I'm not sure. But I did get this for a friend of mine, his son. It's gonna go with another gift. This was only $4.99, and it's 4 wood box puzzles. And I think it's perfect for his age level. So this is a good gift for him. Oh, you wanna see? You wanna do this with me? Okay. So my son Ace is very much into, you know, big boy stuff, sports, all that. But I wanted to give him some type of activity because each one of my kids is getting something they can build or make along with their other gifts. Mining kit, it's this Discovery Mind Blown brand. I love it. So what it is, it's like a block and then you chip away like you're mining for jewels with excavation tools. I thought that was really fun. I got this for one of my nephews. This is for older kids, 14 and over. So I got this for my nephew, and this was only $12.99. And these are like at least $30 to $40 at Target. I couldn't resist buying these because I'm all about those unique gifts. Mr. Kimchi Korean kimchi ramen. This was $5.99. How many is in here? 4? There's 4 of them, but this is like a specialty one that you cannot find at the grocery store. And my kids love ramen, spicy ramens, experimenting. So I'm probably gonna break this up and give them, put them in with some other gifts. That's something fun. But there were some teenagers there that were like ranting and raving about how spicy it was, and I had to get it. So I'm probably gonna give this to my son and my husband. It says, "That's crazy hot, spicy volcano chicken." Ross and Burlington have amazing deals on Barbies. Like I think $16.99 to $20 at Walmart and Target. And I got this for $6.99. It's a cutie Barbie reveal. So I got one of these for my 8-year-old and then one of them for my 9-year-old. I think my 9-year-old is kind of getting over Barbies, but I could not resist a good deal. You know, hopefully she enjoys it for one more year. I just thought she was so cute for only $4. I like getting stuff like this, even if I don't have a kid in this age range, and just stuffing it in a tub in my mom closet and being able to pull this out for a birthday party and have it on hand without running to the store. Like I have a big stash of birthday present stuff and birthday wrapping for those type of occasions. I did get a couple gifts for my husband. He needed a new belt. This was only $12.99. Did get him one of these shackets, they're called. Such a funny name. But I got him this shacket. It was on clearance. I don't know why, because it's really, really nice and it's thick. It's like a thick wool. Hey, I'm trying to do this. It's like a thick wool, but it's also soft and stretchy, and it was on clearance for some reason. I don't know why. It's regularly like 30 bucks at Ross, and it was $17.99. So I thought this was really nice. And I did get my daughter this because she has an Invisalign and we're struggling to get her to keep it in the case and keep it with her at all times. And being in a jacket or back pocket of her jeans is not working. So I thought she could wear this and keep it in here with her lip gloss and her phone and like all her little things or whatever. She's 11, but this matches some shoes that I got her, some Jordans that I got her for Christmas, and a puffer jacket. So it's the vibe. It just matches the full outfit. This was $14.99. Went for Tizeo. I got him this for Christmas. It is a Nike jacket. It was $29.99. It's size 24 months, and I could not resist. Like, look how cute this is. I got that at Burlington. Burlington has an amazing selection of name brand jackets. I saw Jordan and Nike and Timberland for the boys, like a whole Timberland section. Amazing deals. So yeah, I want to get this video out because I'm excited to edit another one with the whole shop with me of all the good deals that I saw at these stores. I did get him a sleep sack for next summer because this is a longer sleep sack, because for some reason it was so discounted, only $5.19. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why that was such a good deal. Okay, let me know if you guys want to see what I got my kids for Christmas and like a haul with all the Bath & Body Works candles that I got. yeah, that's about it. I will leave all the dream pairs information down below with my 25% off code if you want to get your kids some new cute or warm or snow fashionable boots or sneakers this Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.